Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be making beef stew, incredibly delicious Nigeria beef stew. If you like to know how I made this, then please keep watching. To begin, here are the peppers we'll need in this recipe. I have 4 onions, 2 red bell peppers, garlic and ginger, 2 sweet peppers, and fresh tomatoes. And after washing and cutting the peppers, I will transfer them into the blender. And also I will add my Scotch bonnet pepper. Yes, I did not show it at first. And I will add a little bit of water, cover, then blend. And after blending, I will transfer it into the pot and leave it to boil until it gets dried. And in another pot, I will add in the washed beef, then season with seasoning cube, follow with salt, curry powder, thyme, and chopped onions. And I will cover and allow it to boil for about 2 minutes. And after that, I will start to combine for the spices to circulate. If you are new here, my name is Rebecca. Please do not forget to click on that subscribe button and become part of the amazing family today. And to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. And I will cover to cook for about 15 minutes. And at this point, the beef have cooked but not soft. I want it just like this. And I will be frying it. You can also grill or air fry, it's optional. And I will fry until it gets dark brown. So you can see the mixed peppers have boiled down. This is exactly how I want it. And to fry the stew, I will add vegetable oil into the pot. Follow with onions. Then fry for about 1 minute. And after that, I will add in the tomato paste. And fry for about 5 minutes. And if you want to know more about having your stew come out perfectly well, I have a video on that, how to make turkey stew, plus 3 mistakes made when making stew. I make mention of some tips and 3 mistakes people make when making their stew. So you can go and watch that. Now the paste is perfectly fried, and then I will add the mixed peppers. Then I will mix to combine. And after that, I will add in the stock. And after adding the stock, I will stir and test. Now I will be adding a little bit of seasoning cube, a little bit of salt, curry powder, and thyme. Then I will stir to combine. And I will leave it to fry for about 8 to 10 minutes. At this point, I will just go ahead and add the fried beef. And then stir. And leave it on heat for another 10 minutes. And this is a stew. You don't need to pack much on top of your cooked rice. Once you just add little, it will just be enough. And this stew was super delicious. And if you try this recipe, just let me know in the comments. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Put on your notifications so as to get notified whenever I upload new video. And do not forget to like, share, and leave a comment. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.